Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. What strict scheduling rule keeps Ryan Reynolds and Blake Lively's marriage so highly functional? How did Jay-Z and Beyoncé use radical accountability to repair their marriage after a major crisis? Why did Will and Jada Smith's non-traditional relationship mechanics ultimately lead to separation? What hidden strategy allowed Barack and Michelle Obama to decouple their happiness from career pressure? How do David and Victoria Beckham use corporate-level mechanics to protect their 25-year marriage? Part 6. Relationship Mechanics. These two spring from the same source but differ in name. This unity is a mystery. A relationship is not a static trophy to be won, it is a dynamic, living system governed by daily operational mechanics. Conflict and peace, independence and intimacy, all flow from the exact same source. High RQ individuals do not panic when tension arises. They master the underlying communication loops, boundary repairs, and energetic balances that keep the partnership functioning smoothly. 1. Case Studies, Relationship Mechanics. Case Study 1, Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith. The scenario: a marriage that survived decades in Hollywood by creating highly complex, non-traditional operational mechanics, which were later exposed to massive public scrutiny via their Red Table Talk disclosures. The RQ breakdown: their relationship demonstrates what happens when the private mechanics of a partnership conflict with public expectations. While they attempted to redefine commitment, the emotional friction and misaligned communication loops eventually led to a long-term private separation. Case Study 2, Ryan Reynolds and Blake Lively. The scenario, universally recognized as one of Hollywood's most functional, joyful marriages, characterized by public banter, trolling, and mutual support. The RQ breakdown: their pristine mechanics are governed by a strict, practical rule: they never work on film projects at the same time. By consciously structuring their schedules to protect family unity and physical presence, they prevent the typical career-driven alienation that breaks most celebrity couples. Case Study 3, Jay-Z and Beyoncé. The scenario: faced a massive structural threat when infidelity occurred within their marriage, a crisis they publicly processed and healed through their respective masterwork albums Lemonade and 444. The RQ breakdown: their recovery is a case study in high-level repair mechanics. Instead of hiding the fracture or weaponizing it permanently, they utilized radical accountability, intense marriage therapy, and creative expression to rebuild a more resilient, transparent foundation. Case Study 4, Barack and Michelle Obama. The scenario: maintained a rock-solid partnership while navigating the intense psychological pressure of a two-term U.S. presidency. The RQ breakdown: Michelle has spoken openly about the difficult mechanics of balancing individual sacrifice with collective ambition, admitting there were years she couldn't stand her husband. Their success lies in their commitment to relational maintenance, prioritizing marriage counseling early on to decouple personal happiness from their partner's career velocity. Case Study 5, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. The scenario: a highly volatile relationship that completely collapsed into a toxic, globally televised legal battle. The RQ breakdown: the absolute failure of mechanics. Every argument triggered an escalatory feedback loop where vulnerabilities were weaponized, boundaries were physically and emotionally destroyed, and reactive abuse became the standard operating procedure. Case Study 6, Victoria and David Beckham. The scenario: a 25-plus-year marriage that weathered intense cheating scandals, international career moves, and massive public pressure while scaling a global family brand. The RQ breakdown: their relationship survives on corporate-level operational mechanics, a completely unified front to the media, shared financial empires, and structured family routines that anchor their personal lives away from external noise. Case Study 7, Channing Tatum and Jenna Dewan. The scenario: met on the set of Step Up, became a beloved Hollywood couple, and eventually shocked fans by announcing a clean, collaborative divorce. The RQ breakdown: their split represents the mechanics of a conscious uncoupling. When they realized their romantic trajectory had run its course, they chose to dismantle the marriage with high maturity, focusing on co-parenting rather than engaging in scorched earth litigation. Case Study 8, Elon Musk and Grimes. The scenario: a highly eccentric, unstable relationship dynamic that constantly shifted between fluid co-parenting, living in separate houses, and multiple breakups. The RQ breakdown: when relationship mechanics are overly chaotic, lacking a baseline of emotional predictability and stable boundaries, the partnership struggles to sustain long-term psychological safety, resulting in public custody disputes. 2. Open-ended questions, relationship mechanics. 1. When conflict arises in your relationship, are you fighting to solve the actual problem, or are you fighting to prove that you are right and your partner is wrong? 2. What is the current ratio of emotional deposits, compliments, support, quality time, to emotional withdrawals, criticism, cold shoulders, arguments, in your partnership? 3. How do your personal childhood survival strategies, e.g., slamming doors, shutting down, over-talking, sabotage your relationship's communication loops today? 4. In what ways are you trying to micromanage your partner's behavior instead of establishing a clear boundary regarding your own actions? 3. Explanations, relationship mechanics. 1. The unity of opposites. These two spring from the same source but differ in name. Intimacy and space are not enemies. They are the exhale and inhale of a functional relationship. Too much closeness causes suffocation. Too much space causes emotional detachment. 2. The danger of the kitchen sink argument. During a fight, bringing up unresolved mistakes from 3 years ago completely breaks communication mechanics. Stick strictly to the single issue occurring in the present moment. 3. De-escalation as a superpower. Winning an argument at the expense of your partner's dignity is a net loss for the relationship. High RQ means prioritizing the safety of the connection over the short-term satisfaction of the ego. 4. The illusion of mind reading. Expecting your partner to automatically know what you need without you stating it clearly is a recipe for chronic resentment. Clear, unvarnished communication is the grease that keeps relationship gears turning. 4. Implementation plans, relationship mechanics. 1. The Weekly State of the Union Protocol, a structured, 30-minute weekly check-in system for couples to address friction points, schedule logistics, and clear lingering resentments calmly. 2. The De-escalation Emergency Blueprint, a step-by-step communication framework to instantly halt escalating shouting matches or stonewalling episodes in real time. 3. The Emotional Reconnection Strategy, an intentional plan designed to rebuild intimacy and playful energy in long-term partnerships that have fallen into a clinical, roommate-style routine. 4. The Co-regulated Boundary Framework, a mutual agreement model for establishing how space, individual friendships, and digital privacy will be handled within the relationship. 5. Implementation workflows, relationship mechanics. Your partner makes a critical or emotionally reactive comment. Take a 4-second pause to prevent your ego's immediate defensive response. Identify the underlying emotion beneath their words: fear, exhaustion, or hurt. Respond to the underlying emotion rather than reacting to the surface provocation. An argument reaches a high-velocity, escalatory tipping point. Call a formal, pre-agreed 20-minute relational timeout. Physically separate. Engage in deep breathing, and self-soothe your nervous system. Return to the conversation calmly, focusing strictly on resolving the problem. Notice a recurring, unresolved friction point or argument pattern. Deconstruct the issue during a quiet, peaceful moment, not during a fight. Isolate the root operational cause, a schedule clash, mixed signals, or budget gaps. Co-create a systemic, actionable rule to permanently bypass that friction point. Feel a wave of resentment building over unmet emotional needs. Refuse to use passive aggression, heavy sighing, or the silent treatment. State your exact desire cleanly using an I statement format. Provide your partner with a clear, realistic path to meet that need effectively. 6. Actionable advice, relationship mechanics. Never have an important, emotionally heavy conversation via text message. Text lacks tone, invites misinterpretation, and fuels unnecessary escalations. When your partner is venting about a problem, explicitly ask them, "Do you want me to listen and give comfort, or do you want me to help you brainstorm solutions?" Praise your partner's positive behaviors out loud 5x more often than you criticize their negative traits. What gets appreciated gets repeated. If you make a mistake or hurt your partner, offer a complete apology without adding the word "but" at the end to excuse your behavior. 7. To-do items, relationship mechanics. Schedule a recurring weekly block with your partner dedicated entirely to emotional checking in and quality time. completely free of phones. Create a mutually agreed upon code word or safety phrase to instantly halt conversations when either partner's nervous system is overwhelmed. Delete all text threads containing old, unresolved arguments to clear out digital toxic triggers. Write down a list of your partner's top 3 emotional triggers, ensuring you consciously avoid weaponizing them during future disagreements. 8. Practical techniques, relationship mechanics. 1. The speaker-listener technique. During high-stakes discussions, one person holds an object and speaks without interruption. Before the other person takes the object to respond, they must accurately paraphrase what the speaker just said to ensure absolute comprehension. 2. The 20-minute nervous reset. When coming home from a high-stress work environment, establish a rule of 20 minutes of total transition quiet before diving into heavy domestic or relationship conversations. 3. The XYZ communication formula. Frame complaints using this exact structure. When you did X in situation Y, I felt Z. This avoids sweeping accusations like "you always ignore me." 4. The shared micro-ritual. Implement a small, non-negotiable daily touchpoint, such as a 30-second morning hug or a specific evening reflection, to maintain an unbroken baseline of physical and emotional safety. 9. Practical steps. Relationship mechanics. 1. Identify a current, recurring argument pattern in your primary relationship. 2. Approach your partner during a relaxed, happy moment and say, "I noticed we've been hitting a wall regarding topic. I want to make sure I'm fully understanding your side without getting defensive." 3. Sit quietly, listen to their entire perspective without rolling your eyes or jumping in to correct details, and validate their feelings. 4. Propose a practical, operational adjustment to your daily routine that addresses their core concern while respecting your boundaries. If you're ready to stop panicking when tension hits and want to master the daily communication loops of a highly functional partnership, make sure to take these quick steps before you go. Like the video, and subscribe to the channel, so you never miss a deep dive into upgrading your relationship quotient, RQ. Check the links in the description below to download your free study materials and handouts to start optimizing your relationship dynamics. Click the description links to get instant access to our free, advanced chapter, online tutorials for an even deeper strategic breakthrough. Be sure to share this video with friends who need to ditch the relationship chaos and build a more stable foundation today. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.